countdown to Mall of America. So yeah, this is my countdown to Mall of America. Sorry, I have a stuffy nose. Yeah, I'm pretty bored. So I don't know what to do. Today is Tuesday, right? So I'm going on Thursday. It's like 2 days or 1 day, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So let me go over here. Who wants to see outside? Pretty awesome. Yep. Some puppies on my calendar, my radio clock thingy. Okay, so let's listen to Kiss FM. Poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Pop, 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 poker face, pop, pop, poker face. Ba, 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 ba.